Well, girls and boys, welcome back to Five Night Garage Night. So tonight I'm going to do the deck. I've already dressed it. Sorry, I've already treated it with vinegar and water, and used the kind of the red scary that you can get. You can get red or grey. I've used the red. Now the vinegar and water is a solution of maybe 60-40, and then left for a few hours. It kills all the rust and it neutralises the metal again. So I've done all that. So what I'll do now, I'll dress it up with the DA, and I'll use the edge primer for the bare metal, and I've just got normal primer for obviously for the panels. So that's the plan for tonight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. This she is, that's the bulkhead done, all primed and all that. Looking good, looking not bad at all. So what I'll do now is I'll seam seal all in here, and then obviously along the bottom over the next few days. I'll let it dry off for the next maybe 3 or 4 days, and then we can start on that. I've started on the... Well, girls and boys, welcome back. That's me finished for the night. That's all done and dusted for another week. So my plans are now for next week, try and get the outside of the car, sanded down, filled the best way I can for the first stage, and then get it all ready for primer, obviously for the following week. So that's my goal anyway. For the next fortnight, I want to get this thing, the whole car, in primer, 2K primer, and ready for sanding, and obviously any imperfections to fill in, and then there'll be another coat, and then we can go from there. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen tonight, and if I don't see you next week, have a great Christmas and a happy New Year, and don't get too pissed. So all the best. Bye for now. Bye bye.